my love. Just focus, focus. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus, 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 focus.
For the base, you'll need 300 grams of OT biscuits. I'm using granola bars today. About 75 grams of vegan spread. For the filling, you will need 400 grams of soft cheese, 75 grams of desiccated coconut, 100 grams of sugar, the juice from about half a lime and also some vanilla extract. And for the topping, you will need 2 chopped mangoes, about a dessert spoonful of arrowroot, 50 grams of sugar, and also about 100 ml of water. I'm going to mix the biscuit and the spread together for the base. I'm going to use a food processor, but if you don't have one, a bag and a rolling pin does the job just as well. Let's put them all in there. Put the lid on. The biscuit's nicely crumbled now. I'm going to add the spread, which I've previously melted. Okay, I'm going to put the lid back on and give it another whiz. You're aiming for your biscuit and your spread to mix together so that it looks like a crumble topping. I'm using an 8-inch cake tin, which I've already lined with baking parchment. I'm going to pour the mix into the tin and press it down firmly. Okay, and just use a spoon to push the mixture into the tin firmly. To make the filling, you simply need to put all of the ingredients into the bowl and mix them together. So here we go with the cream cheese, sugar, lime juice, and some vanilla extract. Okay, and you just mix all of the ingredients together. This will take a minute or two. And you also might want to taste this because obviously you might have a sweeter tooth than me and you might want a little bit more sugar or a little less. And again, you are aiming for all of the ingredients to be mixed together thoroughly. Okay, so now we're going to pour the cream mix on top of the biscuit base. And we're going to spread it out until it's nice and even, and then put it in the fridge for about 6 hours. We're now going to make the topping for the cheesecake. So we're going to pour the sugar, arrowroot, and the water into a pan. The pan needs to go on a medium flame, and then we will whisk this together until it thickens. You can see that it's quite cloudy at the moment, but it will clear. As you can see, this is starting to thicken now. You will continue whisking. You might want to add a little bit more water. I think I will do to this one because it is a little bit thick and we still have to whisk it a little bit more. You can also see that the colour has changed and it's less cloudy than it was. And it's dripping from the whisk. I'm going to add my mango to the mixture straight away and then leave it to cool down. So I'm going to give it a little mix. Make sure the arrowroot is covered throughout the mango. So you can see it's quite stringy in parts. When this cools down, it's going to be like a half-set jelly. Okay, so I'm now going to pour the mango on top of the cheesecake. Okay, and don't worry too much about getting it exactly to the edges because again it will find its way. Okay, so now the cheesecake is ready to go back in the fridge for another couple of hours until you're ready to serve. The cheesecake is ready now, so I'm going to take it out of the tin and get it ready to serve. So as you can see, the cheesecake already looks really pretty, but I'm just going to add a little bit more to make it look even better. Some passion fruit. and a couple of sprigs of mint. And there you go, my vegan mango and passion fruit cheesecake, which I'm sure you will agree looks very beautiful.
I just want you to focus, pull me in, pull me closer.